because you've been asked to be descriptive doesn't mean you have to be descriptive about every single cobweb, every single thing. When you do that, it makes your story overloaded and it takes away from the benefit of descriptive writing. Is your writing overloaded with far too many details? In this video, I'm going to give you 3 simple steps to help you write powerful but balanced descriptions that will grab your reader's attention and help you score amazing marks in your 11 plus creative writing. If you stay until the very end of the video, I have a bonus tip for you that professional writers use to edit descriptions. Here we are. Step number 1, focus on key details. Focus on the important details. Great descriptions don't just list everything. They focus on important details that can create a strong image in the reader's mind. These details will help the reader to close their eyes and play back the detail like a movie. So before we carry on with this amazing video, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time a new Geek School video goes up. Enjoy! So I'll give you an example of an overloaded piece of description in writing. The room was dusty with cobwebs in every corner, faded curtains, a cracked mirror, and piles of yellow books everywhere. Goodness, I had to catch my breath there. How about a balanced piece? Dust floated in the pale sunlight streaming through faded curtains. A cracked mirror reflected shadows on the wall. What you can do is think about the 2 examples that I've just given you and work out what you think are the most important details in the scene and then focus on those details. So if you are going to apply that to your own writing, whenever you think about writing something, think about what is the most important part of what you're going to write and then focus on those details concerning those important things. Not giving details about every single thing.